How do I use rose water and glycerin for my hair?
Hello, beautiful people. Today we're talking about a natural and hydrating remedy for hair, a mixture of rose water and glycerin. This potent combination is known to bring life back to dry and dull hair. Let's get into the details.
What are the benefits of rose water and glycerin?
Rose water is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can help soothe irritated scalp, reduce dandruff, and improve hair health. On the other hand, glycerin is a great moisturizer that can lock moisture into your hair, combat frizz, and make your hair look smooth and shiny.
How do I make the rose water and glycerin solution?
Mixing these two is quite easy. Here are the steps. 1. Acquire a spray bottle. You'll need this to mix and apply your solution. 2. Prepare the mixture. Combine equal parts of rose water and glycerin in the spray bottle. Shake well to ensure the mixture is well combined.
How do I apply the solution to my hair?
Applying this solution to your hair is quite straightforward. Here's how. 1. Wash your hair. It's always best to start with freshly washed hair. 2. Spray the solution. Lightly mist your hair with the rose water and glycerin solution, focusing on the ends of your hair where dryness is most prevalent. 3. Comb through. Using a wide-toothed comb, gently comb through your hair to ensure the solution is evenly distributed. 4. Leave it in. Unlike some treatments, this doesn't need to be rinsed out. It will continue working and nourishing your hair as you go about your day.
How often should I use this solution?
Use this solution 2 to 3 times per week. This frequency should be enough to hydrate your hair without causing it to become too oily. And that's it. This simple, natural hair care remedy can leave your hair feeling nourished and looking beautiful. Remember, though, results may vary and it may take a few applications before you notice the effects. As always, listen to your hair and adjust your use accordingly. Here's to happy, healthy hair.